Good morning, and I hope I am audible. So before I start, I am Suman, and with me Anupam is there. We are representing DigiSafe. It's an insurtech, and we primarily working on climate insurance. So before I hand over the mic to Anupam, I will share one data which I learned yesterday while traveling to Bangalore. It says that the global protection gap, which means the difference between the insured and uninsured losses of across life, health, catastrophe, crop insurance, agriculture insurance, it is like 1.8 trillion USD. It's yesterday's data, and I think the numbers are very huge. And I think the rising of climate-related risks and economic losses that's mounting, the insurance industry is under tremendous pressure to address this problem. And we belongs to insurance industry. I've worked for more than 15 years in insurance industry. I think it's the right time that we should come here and solve this problem, at least address this problem, because I think the climate risk is risks which is right now very underrated, that we doesn't sees that is a risk between us. But if I give you an example, might be many of you have seen a movie called Oh My God. This movie has started with a typical problem that a person who incurred loss because the loss was by hand of God, which is not in his hand, and his insurance has been rejected because that is not covered in his insurance policy. So whenever I talked, I say that this movie should not come because if DigiSafe was there. So we are addressing this climate risk, and I think that always we have read that nothing can stop God's plan for your life. So I think the climate risk is not in our hand, it's hand of God. So I think that's why when we discuss this problem, we thought that we should come up with some idea that people like all of us who are right now working or who are right now present can easily go and buy climate insurance like we do for our motor insurance and health insurance. So that's the idea I think we discuss, and I will ask Anupam to highlight the solution what we are building.
So thank you, Suman, for this. So my name is Anupam, and I am in this insurance sector from the last 15 years. Prior opening this DigiSafe as a startup, we were working in the climate insurance part only for different insurance companies. So when we have worked with insurance companies and with the farmers, we have found that there are many farmers who are not able to cater their financial needs due to the climate risk. And that's why we have come with a solution. There is no platform right now available in India which can cater a real-time underwriting where a policy can be generated, a real-time policy for the farmers, for the customers, and for the real-time claim generation. So suppose if due to the climate change, if there is some changes in the triggers or the whatever the data is being provided by the IMD weather data, if there are some changes and suppose we are not paying the claim, and when this occurrence has happened, then it's of no use to that farmers or to that customers or to that people. So that's why we are changing this perception with a real-time underwriting, real-time claim generations, and real-time policies. So we have just built a systems where we can choose like that if a customers or a urban city can select a PIN code. We have created this PIN code with 19,000 PIN codes available in India, and every PIN code there is a product available. So it's as configurable as that. If a customer wants to choose a product of its own, they can create their products on their own. If an insurance company wants to choose a product that for a single day they want to create a product, they can create a system where they can create, they can offer a system where for a customer on a single day perils also. And we have built on the basis of 30 years claim data, an AI-based system we have built, the 30 years historical data taken from IMD. We are calculating the perils from that, and from that perils, as soon as the triggers happen, the claim has been generated the T+1 day. So when we have discussed this with manufacturer, we told them that this will be the main features of this platform, that if the claim is triggered on the T+1 day, then this platform will be a great success for the customers. So whoever is that, like as Namayatri was there, this is for the customers also, this is for the enterprises also. If there is a business losses due to the climate change, if there is a loss of wages for the customers, it can cover all those things. And it's a very simple platform which we have created. You choose the industry, you choose the date range when you want this period. It is available on all days. You can choose the product for 7 days, you can choose the product for a single day, and you can choose the sum insert, whatever you want. We are giving you the 3 types of premium: silver, gold, and platinum. Whoever wants, the customer wants to take the best of that use, you can choose that product, and then the policy can be created. And you don't have to do any claim settlement, you don't have to submit any paper for those claim parts. Whenever there is a claim triggered, automatically my system will be calculating the claims, and the T+1 day claim will be generated, and claim will be given to those customers. So this is the platform which is the need of the hour right now. There is no platform right now available. We are just connecting with different manufacturers. Like we are going to launch this product in the next month with a very biggest manufacturer of a private sector insurance company. And soon we are launching this product in the market. For the heat wave, first we are launching, then we will come for the rainfall product. One second. So these are the industries which we can go for that there are many clinics are there are many retail stores, the electricity, these are the use cases which we are talking. Suppose due to heat wave, if a common man electricity rises, he can take that climate insurance product and he can go for that product, because the extra uses, because suppose I am going for, I will go show you one video, a use case, how a customer can claim the product for this. So these are the industries which we are catering for the customers, for the cities. This is a small video, like that climate disasters are not a distant threat. So how it is going to manage? Suppose a person who is going in a office and his vehicle is flooded with that, like Bangalore flood was there. So his vehicle was stuck in that. He does not, the motor claim will be there. That's the traditional part of that. But suppose if he gets a single payout of some climate part, to call that customers, to call those truck drivers who can tow those garages, and his amount is coming into his account the next day, definitely this is going to be the game changer for the industry. So there will be no paperwork, no delays, instant payout. And this, the risk manufacturer is going to handle all these things, and they're going to provide you this with a simple solution that yes, there are many different players in this industry who are going to provide this. So we have to be very resilient regarding this climate change, and this is going to be the future of country. So that's it from our side.
Thank you.
Thank you.